Hi to all, good morning all of you. Annadata Sukhi Bhava, the bread giver is Sukhi Bhava. We convey our sincere thanks on behalf of Ammasara Foundation, Vartamata Social Service Society Home for the Destitutes and Mentally, Physically Challenged Senior Citizens to Sri Vilas Kamitkarji, Srimati Madhuri Kamitkarji and family members for sponsoring food for the 65 inmates of this home on 16th May 2024 on the occasion of death anniversary Punyatithi of Sri Yashwantrao Kamitkarji, a late soul of late Sri Yashwantrao Kamitkarji, rest in peace, Om Shanti, Annadata Sukhi Bhava. We pray the God Sri Rama to bless the sponsors Sri Vilas Kamitkarji, Madhur Kamitkarji and family members with fulfill 100 years of health, wealth, prosperity and longevity. And especially thanks to Sri Julie Pendesar Garu, Pushpalila Amagaru, 365 days support to this ashram. You and your family members 100 years of fulfill health, wealth and prosperity and longevity. The today Sponsor Sri Vilas Kamitkarji, Madhur Kamitkarji and family members, you will give the alms and we receive the alms. Today, menu for the food items. Sweet, Mardakaja, fruits, banana, rice, okay, chikkudugai, tomato, tomato dal. सांबर अन्नदाता सुखी बाबा अन्नदाता सुखी बाबा अन्नदाता सुखी बाबा सुखी बाबा अन्नदाता सुखी बाबा सुखी बाबा सुखी बाबा अन्नदाता सुखी बाबा
दीदी